Hello friends, thanks for clicking. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. So in this video we will discuss about the free publication journal. So there is no APC, there is no charges for the publication of your research paper or manuscript for the Scopus Index Journal and SCI Index Journal and also DBLP journal. So if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel for the notification on daily basis so you cannot miss the important video that you support your research paper. So this is the very special video for all of you. So in the category of the first journal name is the International Journal of Technology Management. So ISSN number of this journal 02675730, and following types of topic covered by this journal: competitiveness and cooperation, knowledge assets, globalization, business, government relation, productivity, efficiency. If your research paper belongs to particular this category, management field, and this topic, and explore this journal also for the more detail about this journal. And the main important thing about this journal, your research paper will get published within a month. So this is the very rapid publication journal. So and there is no publication charge, there is no APC, free of cost you can publish your research paper in the Scopus Index Journal and SCI Index Journal. Next category, International Journal of Communication Network and Distributed Systems. So the types of the topic covered by this journal: computer network, data communication, parallel system, systolic, distributed computing, distributed system, network information security. So this is also the very rapid publication journal and quick publication journal. So within a 1.5 means within a 1.5 months your research paper will get published, and there is no charges for the publication of your manuscript, and you can publish your research paper freely in the index Scopus Index Journal and SCI Index Journal. Next one is the International Journal of Business Intelligence and Data Mining Journal. So this is the very rapid publication journal. Within a 1.5 month your research paper will get published freely for the Scopus Index Journal and also the DBLP category journal. So topics covered by this particular journal: web technology, mining agents and fuzzy neural network approaches, genetic algorithm, machine learning, expert system and hybrid system. And there are so many topics covered by this journal. So explore this journal if your research area match with this particular titles and aim and scope. Next is the International Journal of Intelligent Information and Database System. Publication time 3 months, and there is no publication charges for the Scopus Index Journal and SCI Index Journals. And topics covered by this journal is the big data, machine learning, data warehousing, data mining, database model, security, integrity, query language security. So following types of the topics covered by this journal. So explore this journal in detail. So if your research area match with this particular titles. Next one is the International Journal of Business Performance and Supply Chain Modeling. So this is especially journal for the management student and those who are doing their research in the business and management and also the supply chain management. So following types of the topics covered by this journal: business performance modeling, strategy, vendor. So like this, supply chain management, and this is your research paper will get published within a 3 months. 3 months के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश हो जाएगा, एंड देर इज नो चार्जेस फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर पब्लिकेशन. एंड पेपर इंडेक्सिंग एंड जर्नल इंडेक्सिंग इज द स्कोपस एंड DBLP. Next one is the Acta Psychologica. So this is the also the very good journal, renowned journal. The acceptance rate of this journal 37%. So the chances of your research paper publication in this rapid publication journal is very high. So explore this journal. So following types of topics and discipline can be covered by this journal. So arts and humanities students can publish their research paper, education students, psychological, cognitive psychology. If your research paper match with this criteria, then you can publish your research paper, and the publication time, most probably your research paper will get published within a 3 months. Journal of English for academic purposes. The topics covered by this journal for the English student: English literature, language and educational. So these type of the discipline and topics covered by this journal, and this the acceptance rate of this journal is the 16%. So it will require your original contents for the publication, and your research paper will get published within a 9 weeks. So most probably your research paper will get published within a 2 months. So this is also the quick publication as journal and Scopus journals. Next one is the Journal of Phonetics. So it also belongs to the language, linguistics and speech and hearing. So if your research area comes under this category, English literature, English language, linguistics, can publish their research paper. This is also the quick publication journal. So within 14 week your research paper will get published. Most probably within a 3 months your research paper will get published, and acceptance rate is very high. So the chances of your research paper publication in this Scopus and SC Index journal is very high. So explore this journal because the acceptance rate is the 28%. Next one is the International Journal of Non-Linear Mechanics. So following types of topics covered by this journal: mechanical engineering, mechanics, material, applied mathematics. So in this journal, mathematics student, mathematics researcher can publish their research paper. This is also the quick publication journal. So most probably your research paper will get published within 10 weeks. So most probably or near about 2.5 months, and the acceptance rate is very good, 23%. So the chances of your research paper and manuscript publication is very high. So this is also the good publication for the publication. Next one is the Applied Mathematics letters, and publication time only 4 weeks. Within a 1 week you will get your notification about the acceptance, rejection, minor changes, and also the within a 3 weeks your research paper will get published. So total time for the publication in this journal is the 4 weeks, so maximum 1 month. Within a 1 month your research paper will get published in the Scopus Index journal and SCI Index journal. Acceptance is the very also good, 16%. So applied mathematics student and researcher can publish their research paper in this very quick publication journal. So explore this journal if your research area comes under this category. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आपको ये वीडियो देखने के बाद आपका कुछ सपोर्ट हुआ हो, आपकी रिसर्च के लिए आपको हेल्पफुल लगा हो, तो please like this video and also share with your friends so they will also get benefited towards their research. So this is the contribution from your side. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.